See this? Most animals lose this forever, but my iguana Blue doesn't. Iguanas like Blue live in a world where every moment counts and life can end quickly. Predators, accidents, the wild is brutal. But God gave Blue something most creatures don't have: the ability to restore what was lost. If a predator grabs Blue's tail, it snaps right off and Blue escapes. And over the next few months, something amazing begins to happen. It grows back. That reminds me of a famous chapter in the Bible, Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. It says God restores my soul. Not replace it, not give you a new one, restores. The same one made new. And Jesus said in John 10:10, the thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I have come that they may have life and have it to the full. Jesus came so that you may have life. Not a half life, not a life with missing pieces, a full life. Here is what I want you to think about today. Blue didn't grow his tail by worrying about it. After he lost it, he just kept going. He kept climbing, kept being an iguana. And God handled the rest. What would it look like if you did the same thing? Has something ever been taken from you or lost you thought was gone forever? Put it in the category of things God can restore. Most animals lose something and it's gone forever. But you weren't made like most animals. You were made by God in his image. He made a promise in Revelation 21:5, which says, behold, I am making all things new. Maybe not here on earth, but in heaven, everything will be made new. What have you lost that you are trusting God to restore? Join our community of homeschool families in the Backyard Bible Community Group, link in the bio.